To get a dynamic island notifications for Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all we'll need to open a Google Play Store on our device. Sadly, this feature is normally not available, which means we need to download an app. So click on the search button, type in Dynamic Island, then select this app and then install it. When it's done, click on Open. Make sure to allow any permissions that will pop up. Finally, right here we can activate dynamic island notifications, accept again all of the permissions like I'm doing right now. And finally, right here we have Dynamic Island, as you can see on the top. And if you receive any notifications, they should come in this style. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.